Hi friends, welcome to IMO videos, standard 7th, video number 19, data handling, section A, easy. Let's start. Study the following table and answer the questions based on it. Question 1 and 2. See here, this is the table given and we have to answer the questions based on it. What is it in the table? Expenses for a company. It's given. Now we have to answer. What is the average what is the total amount of interest per year which the company had to pay during the period? Total amount of interest. Now where is interest? This. Add all this and you will get the answer. The answer is 133.30. You do the addition yourself. Next, the total expenditure of the company over the years over these items during the year 2001 is, here, add all the items in 2001. So the answer you get is 680.08. These are simple problems, that's why we are going fast. The marks of 9 students were measured and the results were as follows. These are the marks of the 9 students. What is the range of the data? Now what is the range? Range means maximum minus minimum. So which is the maximum number over here? 166. Minimum number 135. So range is 166 minus 135, that is 31. What is the mean marks of the students? Mean means average. Average means total upon number of elements. How many are there? 9. So total upon 9. 1362 upon 9. Now divide this. 9 ones are 9. 4 remaining. 9 5s are 45. 1 remains. 9 ones are 9. 3 remains. Means 30 and point. So 9 3s are 27. And then again 3 remains. 9 3s are 37. It will go continuously. Infinite. Stop after 2. So average is 151.33. How many students are there whose marks are more than the mean marks? What is the mean? 151.33. How many have got more than 151.33? See these. There are 6 students. So answer is 6. Next, find the mode and median of the following data respectively. So firstly, what is a mode? Mode. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yuvaguru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.